Okay, these Armstrong shocks that I reworked them to the best of my ability and installed them. But after driving the car for a while, I was getting these puddles of oil on the floor. They're leaking like they all leak. So there's a variety of different options to buy reconditioned ones. A lot of them were expensive, up to $269 a piece. Worldwide Auto Parts, as I heard about on the forum, as you can see, their price is pretty good. It's $252 for two of them, but that includes $60 back, and they prepay the $17 shipping. So it came in a box like that. Here they are. I just washed them. We're in the middle of the virus thing, so I'm being careful. But here they show how they will deduct for any damage to the ones you return. You have to return it in the box. The box comes with all the packing and everything, but it looks pretty good. I'm just nothing really exciting to record about that, other than the fact I did it. So I'll get these installed today.